Happy holidays. And here we have the Christmas tree sconce or candle holder, which can be hung on the wall. And I'm going to show you today how to make one. All you need is a jigsaw, plank of wood. This is 7x1 pine or 1x7. And this is a cutout I made myself of a Christmas tree. And this will be our template for marking out the Christmas tree. So we'll place our Christmas tree template. Right, so we're going to mark it out now. That's 4 3/8 there. 5 inches wide, 15. So that's your 5 inches there. So we'll square off from that. That's our two pieces. Here's our upright, and this is our shelf. Okay, let's get sanding. Now that's our two pieces sanded. So now let's put them together. So we'll take the shelf, place the Christmas tree like so, and just put the shelf just on the lower branch of the tree. Just come in roughly 1/4 of an inch, mark around with a pencil like this. 5 inches. So just come in an inch. There's the 10. Come into 9. Turn it around. 15 mil, forcing a bit. So this is the back now. Sink it in just 1/4 of an inch. The same for the other one. And that's the two holes there. Just putting a few blobs of super glue just to hold it in place. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! There! It's stuck. So it's in position, and that means we can screw it. We're going to screw it together using 4x100s, 100 mil or 4 inches long there. Put these in now. Now, we're going to stain our Christmas tree. Oh, it's actually dye, walnut. Now the difference between wood dye and wood stain is the wood dye doesn't lift the grain, which is great, and we'll see now the way it seeps in. It's lovely to put on it and it spreads easily. A little goes a long way. Make sure you have a lint-free cloth, and we'll just there it is there now. Just put it on the cloth. Oh my God.
A little goes a long way.
Anyway, there's plenty on it, the cloth now. We can do 10 sconces. And here it is, stained. And the stain has dried, and I think it looks very nice, lovely. So let's get a candle on it. Christmas magic. Here's